Days in my life living alone, life as an introvert in Nigeria. Days in my life. 1, 2, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Living alone. Everybody has gone to church. I'm living alone at this point. Life as an introvert. Can an introvert do what I'm doing? No. Life as an extrovert. Not fully. Life of an ambivert. I'm not an introvert. Now, days in my life living alone, life as an introvert in Nigeria. I cannot come and lie. Because it's a scam. It's scam. Days in my life living alone is a scam. Most of us, we don't live alone. Most of us, we live with our parents. We live with our parents. Eh? But that's the life of an introvert. In Nigeria, we can't just be an introvert fully. There are times we are dishing out extroverted behavior. True or true? There are times we just dish out extroverted behavior. Living alone, you know how much is rent? Hey, God. You know how much is rent? How much are they paying us? Like, us. How much? This is my life. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Will you drop your phone? Eh? You are videoing. You have not finished cooking. You're not doing this one. You're videoing. And living alone. Is it living alone with your parents? You cannot be living alone with your parents now. It's living alone. True or true? True. What used to pain me in all these things is that YouTube will not tell me in my analytics that my people, you people, our people, you, let's use you in particular, that what you are watching is, let me turn it, days in my life, living alone, life as an introvert in Nigeria. How did we get here? If you will watch, let me just tell you a suggestion. Days in my life, living with my parents, life of an ambivert in Nigeria, or we go for this one, day or a day in my life, living alone, living with my parents, Jerry, life of an ambivert. I can manage introvert. Sometimes I am very introverted person. I am very, and I can be very extroverted person. So I don't even understand what we're going to be doing, because right now, at this point, this is a moment in my life, living alone, life of an introverted, extroverted, choose one, in Nigeria. True or true? True or true? I cannot come and keep myself. And do you know about this thing that this title is a juicy title? What is ranking? Speaking about ranking, at this point now that I'm doing this video, that I put this title, Days in My Life, Living a Low Life of an Introvert, it's better rank. You better rank. That's another thing. They say people are watching Days in My Life. You better watch this one. Okay, it's not a vlog. Look at it. We are vlogging. Maybe I might put some clips. You know what these Days in My Life team people, this is what they do. Their house is always quiet. Now, at this point, my house is quiet. Now, like this. But in 2 hours time, it will be noisy. And their house is always bright. Our house is not bright. We know, me and you, we know that if we go to our kitchen now, it's a little bit dark. It's not that bright. I cannot be using power bank touch. You cannot be using power bank touch. I'll be saying, what are you doing? To be giving yourself extra lights. Or this no, you have to use like a LED light, something. To make it more aesthetic. You know that what they call it? Aesthetic silent vlog. Not before everybody. Let me just tell you now. So I know that some of you are in my shoes right now. You don't want to talk. I'm talking on behalf of everybody. That is in my life, living a low life of an introvert in Nigeria. This YouTube is mostly for the audience. Audience! People will try to be watching days in my life living with my parents. I have vlogs. Don't you have vlogs? We have vlogs. Me and you, we have vlogs. People are not watching that one. But that days in my life living a low life of an introvert in Nigeria. We don't want to lie. I don't want to lie to you. You know how much is rent? Do you know how much is rent? Do you know? I didn't price it. I didn't price it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe so that I'll be doing living alone days in my life of an introvert in Nigeria. Subscribe, yeah.